Good afternoon, students. Okay, today discuss the topic is speed and its types. Types of speed. The speed can be classified into two types. The first one is uniform speed. The second one is non-uniform speed. In this uniform speed means when a body is moving with equal distance in equal time interval. When a body moving with equal distance in equal time interval, that is called uniform speed. For example, in this example, say body is a travel from point A to reach point D. It passes through B and C. The A to B, the body covered distance is 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. Next to B to C, the distance is 1 kilometer distance. The time interval is 10 minutes. Next to C to D, the distance is 1 kilometer and time taken also 10 minutes. In this condition, so body starting from A passes through B, C to reach D. The time interval and the distance covered is same. The distance is 1 kilometer at each and every point. The time taken is 10 minutes. That is the uniform speed. The next one is non-uniform speed. In this non-uniform speed is when a body is moving with equal distance in unequal time interval or unequal distance in equal time interval. In this non-uniform speed, the first case one is body moving with equal distance in unequal time interval. For example, this is the first case. Body starting from A to D passes through B and C. The A to B, the distance covered 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. B to C is 1 kilometer 15 minutes. C to D is same distance 1 kilometer. The time is 20 minutes. In this case, so body moving at equal distances at each and every point the distance covered is 1 kilometer, and the time interval is unequal. The first A to B is 10 minutes, B to C is 15 minutes, the C to D is 20 minutes. This is the first case. The next second case is the second case, when a body moving with unequal distance in equal time interval. For example, student, a body is moving from A, passes through B and C to reach D. This is B and C. The body is moving. The distance covered in A to B is 1 kilometer in 15 minutes. 2 kilometer B to C. The time is 15 minutes. C to D, the distance covered 3 kilometer. The time is 15 minutes. The case 2, when a body moving with unequal distance. First distance A to B is 1 kilometer, B to C 2 kilometer, C to D 3 kilometer. The time taken at each and every interval, the time is equal. That is 15 minutes.